so close. I expect a little bit more from a professional driver.
I thought that Daniel Dubois would beat Joe Joyce, and I'll prove me wrong. And then I thought Parker would, and he's done it again. But credit to him, mate. I mean, we've got a lot of time for Joe. We've had him on the podcast before, and
on this clip, I'm coming off the next junction. Believe it or not, so is that idiot that's gone into the outside lane.
You know, there's question marks about that. He's going to come through that. Bucket smashed through that. Then Brian Jones, Michael Wallace, Daniel Dubois. You know, there's question marks about that. He's going to come through that. Bucket smashed through that. Then Brian Jones, Michael Wallace. Daniel Dubois, there was question marks when he came through that. Carlos Tacker, fucking surprised everyone, smashed him up.
That's my braking distance, you fucking wanker.
Stepping up. I know he's 37 years old. He's not the youngest heavyweight.
Tosser.
He needs to be learning and improving.
So many champions have fought there in the past. Iconic.
Fucking hell.
Okay, we're going to hear from Frank. Just couldn't find a shirt that looked great untucked. That's why we created the perfect untucked shirt with that just right length. We have over 50 fits for all shapes and sizes, so you can look sharp even at your most casual. Try the original.
I mean, you know what he's going to do. I mean, look how far over to the right he is already. He's obviously going to cut in. Obviously. There you go, indicator on. He knows exactly what he's doing. It's so obvious that he was going to queue jump.
Sharpened your focus for a second, strangely enough, because I know he'd have been true to his bloody words, you know what I mean?
How did he deliver it?
Just like that.
Very quiet.
Yeah, exactly.
Understated.
Sometimes he would make an example of you if you're a bigger name in the dressing room. If you're a Des Walker or you're a Stuart Pearce or someone like that, he would provoke a bigger name in the dressing room. If you're a Des Walker or you're a Stuart
Here comes
Pearce or
Mr. Magoo.
like that, he would provoke you, which sent a message out to the rest. Been times when I played for him, as we were coming in at half time, he'd come past me.
Why can the Range Rover not...
As we were coming in at half time, he'd come past me.
Why can the Range Rover not see indicators? Everyone else could see it, but he couldn't.
Player coach. So I'd sit there and he'd absolutely wipe the floor with me.
In this clip, we're watching these two idiots right here.
Well, good to see you. The book is out now. Abbey Road, NWA, the inside story of the world's most famous recordings here by David Hepworth. And yeah, it's out in hardback. Good to see you, David. Thanks for coming in. Nice to see you. Paul Hawksby, Andy Jacobs here on Talk Sport. We'll be joined by Andy Brassel taking us around Europe shortly. Hawksby and Jacobs on Talk Sport with EE. Connects here by David Hepworth. And yeah, it's out in hardback. Good to see you, David. Thanks for coming in. Nice to see you. Paul Hawksby, Andy Jacobs here on Talk Sport. We'll be joined by Andy Brassel taking us around Europe shortly. Hawksby and Jacobs on Talk Sport with EE. Connect 100 devices in your home and get whistle to whistle match.
Now, I've watched this clip a few times now. I think that this guy has actually got his eyes closed, squeezing through the little gaps. I mean, why risk it? What is the point?
Fresh orange juice, and
in this clip we're looking over there.
That shot.
There's two lanes that go that way, but only one lane goes left. If you look at the road markings, you shouldn't be in the middle lane and expect to go down there like that car just did. Weird, eh?
Dates and the venues.
What's the point of having two lanes going left then?
I know it was serious.
Oh, and watch the Mini in front of me now.
It was exciting. And
just casually goes through the red.
Upsetting at the same time. I felt disrespected.
I'm in Guildford for this one. There's quite a lot going wrong here, so I'll try and do my best. Right, first up, there's this car to the right here. There is a right turn only. He's gone past the line on the road for the lights, and there is no other lights in front of him, so he's blind basically. He can't see with the lights colour. The bike is going through, turning left there, which you can see it's for a bus and cyclist, not a motorbike. Now we're waiting. You'll see this car here, he turns left on a red light. The other car does exactly the same, he goes through the line. Now he can't see, there is no other traffic light in front of him. As you can see here, the car is blocking the yellow box junction. So even if we did have a green light, we couldn't go. But that white car's not to know that, so he goes. Now this red one wants to stop at a green, so I did give him a bib. Off we go. We're not done yet. A little bit of a harsh braking over to the left now. Because of the van there, he couldn't see, so pulled out a bit too quick really. Quite easy. Traffic lights going left and right with nice big arrows. You would think anyway, wouldn't you? Starts off okay, and then we're stopping at a green. Why? Then the beeping starts because this car here wants to turn right from a left lane. Now I've speeded up again. Starts off okay, and now this red car wants to stop at a green again. I don't know what's going on there. So eventually we get around the corner and we see this car here that's gone way past its line, that's all the way back here. So Guildford, way to go.
Yes.
The Mini and the bus to the right don't cover themselves in glory at this roundabout.
Will be joining us tonight on the BBC documentary. Team have been following him, Frank, for the last 15 months.
Yeah, that was pretty close.
With early onset dementia. We'll be chatting to Steve about the documentary.
You're not indicating anywhere, so.
But first, Ben, you're a loaded fan back in the day, and many hundreds of thousands of millions of people were.
That there is a no entry. That's the way out.
Why you idiot?
Did make me laugh looking at the lady with her dog, looking at the no entry sign.
Yeah.
James's life. Any questions for him? Talks back in the day, and many hundreds of thousands of millions of people were. We'll be chatting about that.
Why you idiot?
James's life. Any questions for him? Talks about.
Now I can't see the phone in this clip, but you don't have to see the phone to realise what's going on. A nice big shiny head keeps popping up and down.
You have to look at someone's head. No, that he's not looking at,
No.
you know, you see straight away what he's looking at, you know, you don't have to see the phone.
He's not looking at the toast crumbs on his lap.
No.
Right, I'm coming up to this junction here. It's obviously a red light for me going straight on, but it's a green light turning right, which means this lorry in front of me has also got a green light turning right. And the reason he hasn't gone is because he's too busy on his phone. When he suddenly realises that he can go, it's a red. But does it stop him? No. Now all the traffic to my right have got a green light because he is going through a red light. Leave the phone alone, for goodness sake.
Next up for them, Eintracht Frankfurt, but at the Tottenham Hotspur Stadium. And maybe then, God, you'll let the handbrake off that little bit more. That'll please you all. Squash two of them.
White and Jordan on TalkSport with Selco Builders Warehouse. Order online for free delivery at selcobw.com.
Oh, for fuck's sake.
If I can't pay my energy bill?
It's a question a lot of people are asking right now, which is why the British Gas Energy Trust is here.
It's not hard. It's not hard.
Partners, we're offering extra support to customers who need it most.